social distancing, that's a must. We must observe the protocols for COVID-19. We were visited by the Ministry of Health personnel who did a thorough inspection, and we got 2 reports that were satisfactory. That being said, we got the go-ahead from the Ministry of Health and Wellness to reopen school.
So far, things have gone well. We are seeing over 80% attendance of our students. We had consultation with our parents before we started, and most of the parents are on board with what is happening. They support the entire face-to-face reopening. And we probably have 1 or 2 parents who want to come on the compound because they want to see what is happening in the class, where their children are seated and so on. However, because of the protocols, we don't allow them on the compound. What we were doing at some stage is to allow a number of parents to come on the compound and to see what is happening in a group. But for the time being, we are not allowing parents to come on. They leave the children at the gate and we take it from there. Several protocols have to be followed when the students come in. They are met at the gate by a team of support staff, teachers. We have an infant department. Those students, the small ones, are taken down to their classes where their hands are washed after the temperature is taken at the gate. For the other primary school students, their temperature is taken at the gate and they are sanitized and sent to their classes. A number of our students would have been in the situation face-to-face before. The small ones and the new students are the ones who are learning to adjust to the situation. But so far the compliance have been good. We have the teachers and the support staff who keep reminding the students and encourage them to keep their masks on, to keep their distances, and to sanitize when it's necessary.
So some parents would have told me that their children have asthmatic condition. In that case, the teacher knows about it and will give you extra time to go and get fresh air, remove the mask outside and get some fresh air. Otherwise, the classroom teacher, especially at grades 1 to 3, they will take you out momentarily to get you refreshed.
The students are enjoying being out face-to-face because there are some students who weren't able to see or hear from any at all whilst we were online, but they are coming out now face-to-face, and we are happy for that.
We try to ensure that we listen to the students and to hear what were their concerns, and so we try our best to meet those concerns. And the guidance counselor also would have identified students who were having challenges and seek to have individual guidance session with them.
I am very happy and grateful because it helps me to learn more. Well, during online school, it was a little bit shaky for me, though it would be better if I was here, where the teacher could speak and understand us in front of the physical space.
I feel the same way on online class as face-to-face. I like face-to-face better because sometimes the internet keep me out of the meeting and I miss out some important part of what the teacher is telling me.
First of all, I feel very happy to be at school because I get to learn more, understand more. I also get to learn a lot of things better. For the online
it's okay, but it's been very like hard because I won't be able to understand the topic as much as I would as face to face.
We're happy that the Ministry of Education, the government of Jamaica, has allowed us to have our fifth form students come back because they are the critical ones at this time and they need to complete their SBAs. They have a lot of work to be completed because they have been out.
Online is very difficult, and also the internet issue. Most of the time I hardly go at class because you go and jump off, on, off, on and off, on and off.
And when you get the work, sometimes you don't understand what's going on. When you take the teacher, sometimes she helps you, but you still don't understand.
To me, students learn quicker and better face to face. But then with the virus around now, we have to be taking all the precautions to make sure that we don't have any widespread in the school.